Hello, dear friend. Hello, dear AI enthusiast. Hope you are having the best time of your day. And in this video, I'm gonna bring you about the concept of the most optimized prompt structure you can utilize in virtually any LLM you interact with in 2025. Yet I will show the particular impact this simple framework I'm about to show you in the next X minutes. I quit predicting how long the videos are gonna be. I think exactly this time it's gonna be quite fast. And yes, we do have the interface of ChatGPT right now, and in fact you can open the ChatGPT, whether the free version or the paid one, in the new tab, and just follow me whilst I will be showcasing this four-step framework, which is named RCTE, in the tool which is called Prometheus. Hopefully I pronounced it well. And in fact, that's the specific software which helps you to quickly iterate over different versions of the prompts and save the ones which you find the most useful ones. Just quick 30 seconds on why you should watch these videos. AI is taking over. It's gonna replace 70% of jobs by 2030 by some authoritative information source in the US. Specifically, it will replace those jobs which are sort of the most valuable in the society right now, the most highly paid. So the knowledge workers, good luck, or buckle up and keep watching this video in case you are one of those in order to thrive, and in case you aren't, then watch this video in order to be the one who is on the opposite side of the revolution and is rather replacing those monotonous jobs and those which do require a certain level of skill, but still can be pretty much fully automated by artificial intelligence. But not just automated for the sake of automation. Actually preserve the quality of the output, as well as in some cases enhance it. But it's only possible with RCTE. Let's go. The use case for this video will be the email in which I want to promote my AI automation service to restaurant business owners. And I'm sending out the cold email. And surely in 2025, the cold email you are sending out must mention literally the name of the dog which this restaurant owner you are contacting had 2 years ago died. But for the sake of just showing the example of RCTE prompt structure, we will just go with generic cold email. And the first version, if you are just appear to be spawned on the earth yesterday, then you might just say to your favorite LLM. Right now we are talking to GPT-4o. Write the email to restaurant owners. Email must promote my AI automation services. Your loyal servant forgot to insert the OpenAI API key. By the way, in case you are using ChatGPT, you do not have to do that. Just a quick side note. And here we are. In fact, just from these two unbelievably short and unspecific sentences, we've got pretty much the best generic cold email we can write. And the thing is that no one ever will read it. In fact, we have stepped into an interesting era where the simplicity, conciseness, and the word shit in the text written which you are reading is something what will generate more trust than the perfect copy, such as this email. Let's just quickly run through it. Dear restaurant owner's name, I hope this message finds you well and thriving in your culinary endeavors. In today's fast-paced world, managing a restaurant efficiently. Driven insights, automated delivery. Okay, that's not super bad, I assume. And I am quite new to this tool, so I think that's the way to go. And we try the other way of prompting our request, which is R C T E. Type in the comment section right now, what do you think these letters stand for? I wait. Okay, I assume you are AI and you have already written everything and actually came up with your own version, which is even better than mine. Yet, here it is. Role, context, and I have watched too many TV shows, therefore I will leave the last two ones unrevealed, so some level of intrigue is kept. Role, you are the master email called email copywriter with 10 years of experience. You are known for your no fluff, straight to the point way of writing, which attracts and converts business owners constantly. This last adverb will be what makes the difference constantly. And by the way, just a quick tip. Even though in this case I will leave it for the just cuteness sake, the word constantly, it's much better to talk to LLMs in the mathematical way. So, okay, I just changed my mind after 10 seconds, being human, and I just changed to what should be the best way to put it so that we get the persistent results, at least with higher likelihood. We do not say always write in the straightforward manner. No, we rather say write in the straightforward way 10 out of 10 times. Also, you could say 100%, but my friend came up with the version 10 out of 10 times. And for the last 6 months, after having generated multiple tens of thousands of dollars, I would say that it damn works. Context. Context is that we are crafting the cold email copy, which intends to attract So you see that we have described now in which context does the LLM operates. The goal is to craft cold email copy. We have also specified in marketing terms our ideal avatar, at least to some extent. So the profession, the description, and the problem slash solution, problem which is implied in these sentences and can be translated into too much work and too damn expensive. Specifically, the main branch of the automation is customer service and table booking sites. So we also narrow down the area in which the offers must be provided so that there is a higher likelihood of the potential buyer being particularly interested because she sees that we are quite prepared and specific in what we are offering. And finally, you, my friends who have no social life and great attention span, you can now see what the third word in the abbreviation stands for. Third letter. It's task. Task. Right. I have no idea how long the email should be, how long it should be, but let's assume 150 words. So here is just the secret sauce. In the task, specify the word count. Be sure the AI will mess it up. So in fact, what you must do is rather provide a bit higher count because not that much higher, a bit higher count because from my experience when working on projects for other clients, when let's say you want to generate the article which is 2000 words long, your best bet is to ask LLM to generate 3000 words article. So in that case, it will be somewhat around 2000. So in this case, there is a similar ratio, and we will actually check it out using online character count. And yeah, we want to use simple language because no one will get that deep into the random email, which if lucky enough gets into the mail inbox of the business owner. And just the last one, again, that's the secret from me, include 3 typos. Let's make it real. An example. In fact, here I am going to simplify it because if it would be something more utility based, so let's say you want to clean up the string from double quotes, then you could just use something like Sarah said, let's go there. Oh, oops. Yeah, so if it was something utility based, then you would utilize example in this way. However, considering that Our task is creative, and what we need is rather to have AI come up with stuff, not just do the cleanup job, but more of the creative one. In this scenario, what we do is we rather specify the format of the output we would love to see. And example would be, in fact, it would be something like this. You just copy everything. No, you just copy the task because identity and context part is something which is more stable within LLM, but the task is what is supposed to be changed on the regular basis. The context as well, but not as frequently and radically. Yeah, there is a better way to have LLM output only the piece of text which you wanna it to return. You would use the JSON formatting, but when you are doing something more specific and just not you're not building the scalable system, but just wanna get the shit done and have the specific piece of copy generated here and now, just single one, then the utilization graph. I think this word is too smart for this. So for this context, use of square brackets in the example section of this prompt structure will be sufficient in order to have AI return what you want. Actually, we were lucky enough, even at the first trial, using super simple prompt to get only the information we needed without any extra. Okay, here is the email for restaurant owners about your automation services, colon, and then this. But that's not the case most of the times, and for this reason, we stick to this framework. And yeah, just quickly walk you over what we have done. We have specified the role and in some way identity of LLM, master called email copywriter with 10 years of experience, known for the straightforward way of writing, which is extremely attractive to the business owners all the time, 10 out of 10 times. Context, we are crafting the cold email copy, which intends to attract tech-curious restaurant owners who are looking forward to reduce workload and optimize the cost using AI automation. Sweet. Specifically, the main branch of the automation is the customer service and table booking side. Write the 2000 words email, use the simple language, and include 3 typos. Little sprinkle of illiteracy, I'd say. And let's do that. Boost your restaurant's efficiency with AI automation. Hire recipient's name. Want to reduce your workload and cut costs at your restaurant? Discover how AI automation can transform your growth. I think you can read, but let me just finish it up for myself so I can give some feedback. So actually, what you can do immediately is you can see what should be changed. And here I do step away from the particular demonstration of the prompt structure. That's just something what is good for copy in general. Include Max sentence per paragraph. Yeah, that's uh, that's actually also another secret sauce which will definitely help you. Yeah, AI absolutely didn't give a think about my request, but I will not cut out this part from the video. First of all, because I'm super lazy when it comes to editing, and secondly, so you see what is actually happening when you are playing around with those models. Sounds like Hugh Hefner's quote, and the one thing which I would love to check out is whether it made any typos. Yeah, that's a fantastic thing. You can actually get the report of AI showing where it implements what you have requested it to do. Bruv, now it feels quite not fun. Let's utilize our little tool we have recently found out. And let's, well, if you're in ChatGPT, you won't see this specific option. But in case you're watching thus far, I think that you are on it. You are on it. And I can show you that you might reduce the temperature in order to reduce the creativity. And this way, the sticking to instructions might be better. And in case you are again still here, then let me show you the other interesting thing, which is that GPT 4.1, which you can also pick from the main model's selection, allows you to have the LLM stick to your instructions better. So GPT 4.1 is particularly known for this feature of sticking to the instructions better. And here it is. We have wonderful words of competitors, frazzled, and sick day, which I think is supposed to be written separately. And frazzled, I have no, I have no even clue of what this is supposed to look like. So here it is. You have seen that this video wasn't super smooth. I am super grateful for that 20 minutes or something like this. Younger Max decided not to say the specific duration of this video because fuck knows how long it was. And the great idea we can get from this video is that you definitely should utilize RST framework when asking AI to do stuff for you. The best thing is that you can copy paste this prompt as much as you want and just tweak it a bit in the context section in order to have more specificity added depending on your use case. And yeah, the other thing, use GPT 4.1 model, which is definitely better at sticking to instructions comparing to its as it happens with humans naughty younger brother GPT 4.0. And let me just quickly go here and let's see how long is the copy. No, not quite. Not quite. Yeah. So we have taken the like 25% margin of error and it resulted in the somewhat correct length of the email, which was 150 words, as you remember at the beginning. But specifying 200, we were able to get 173, even, oops, free ad, even a bit longer. So yeah, that was the final one. And I do love the unique code of this prompt, 777. If you do as well, then press the like button. And even if you don't, then still press the like button. Subscribe. You can find a lot of freemium, I would call them this way, useful automation templates in MomAI Technologies Gumroad store. It's one of the top links in the description below. And thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you like this video. Press the dislike button under someone else's video if you didn't like this particular piece of content. Also leave the comment either why you love this video or something else. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. And let's automate the things together and subscribe.